Hi, my name is Nancy and I'm going to show you Selenium with Java testing a website. So the website we're going to test today is Shore Media, and I chose this because it's my own website and I don't need anyone's permission to show it on the internet under test. And the test is going to go into the different menu choices and make sure that the destinations are correct when they show up. It's going to go through and check on different links, and it's going to check and make sure different images are here and are all correct. So let's go ahead and close the browser and go over to Eclipse. And you can see here in the editor window, this is the main test file, and there's also another file that it uses. It has a support utilities file, and there are other files within the project, but I'm not going to get into those today. So I'm going to go ahead and start the program, and I want you to watch in this console area. You'll see output describing what's going on in the test. So let me go ahead and select run. Oh, I'm sorry. You need to select the whole project, and we'll say run as test. And the test has begun, and Java and Selenium are running under Eclipse, and we're going to get into the first test in just a second. It should be coming up. Selenium is going ahead and bringing up Firefox, and here we have the first page that it's bringing up, destination website, and it's going through those menu items. It checked them all and it's already done, and it's gone on to the second test. So you have to watch carefully because it's quick. So here we have the second test. It's going to go into some of the pages. It's going to check some of the links. It's using JUnit in combination with Java and Selenium to make all of this happen. And if you don't like Java, you can also use Selenium with Ruby, Perl, PHP, Groovy, C Sharp, and I imagine there are others that you can use as well. So here we are, still I believe in the second test. It's checking the links, and down here you can see I'm switching now into Eclipse, and you can see that the test will go ahead and run when I bring Eclipse into the foreground. Watch this. The test will go ahead and run in the background even though I'm playing around with the cursor in the foreground, and I can go ahead and I can change window sizes, and I can, oops, this is a Firefox dialog that comes up. It's actually a bug, and I'm going to talk about that in another video. But anyway, here we have, I can bring this to the front, and you can see it's already gotten through the fourth test, and it's finishing up, and we've got build success, and don't believe there's any failures or errors. If there were, you'd see a lot of noise here in the console. Also, we can check over here in our logs directory. These are all past test runs. The current test run isn't dated yet, and so I know that that's the current test run. And we can look inside this file, and I can see all of the output from the test that we just ran. So that concludes this demonstration of Java and Selenium under test with Eclipse. Thanks for joining.